Okay, and here we are again with Wireman's Whimsy and the third project from the Paper Pumpkin Kit for October 2022 called Ho Ho Ho. So we are going to go ahead and we are going to build the third project. So I'm going to need a card base. I'm going to need this card base right here. And I need my die cut. I need my snowflakes, a couple of different banners. I need the Santa Claus and the J and the Y to spell joy, and then I'm going to need my stamps. So I'm just going to, as I've been showing you, take my card and just use the corner of my stamp or my block to crease that down. Okay, so I talked in previous videos about the photopolymer stamps and how they're sometimes really hard to mount if they're long and skinny like this. So I'm just going to drop that down and let it fall naturally, but it needs to fall kind of text side down. Then you take your block and you pick it up with your block. Rather than trying to line it up on your block, it can get a little wobbly. So that's a really good tip there. So what do I need? I need my Santa. Okay, let's go in order. It tells me that I need to put dimensionals on the back of my decorative frame here. And it does fit exactly on there. So just wanted to check that before I started. And I need to put dimensionals. It tells me one in the middle here, and then one in each of the corners. So let's go ahead and do that. And then we can go ahead and build like this. We're just going to put the card together, and we're going to, oh, I've done the one in the middle. Okay, let's just pop this down like this. Here we go. Okay. And let's do our stamping. I talked all about doing the stamping and then I didn't do the stamping. So I need to take my banner and I need to take my Santa and I need to ink everything up. So let's go ahead and ink up Santa. It sounds like I'm giving Santa tattoos, but I'm not. And we're going to line this up. Again, it's simpler to do if I can lean right over, but I don't want to block the shot here. So let's just do that. And not bad at all. Okay, now let's ink up our greeting. "'Tis the season to be jolly." Okay, and we're going to line this up on our banner here and just press it down like that. So there we go. And now we can start putting the card together. So I've got this here like this. I need to take my 3 iridescent stars like this, and this, and this, and I need to put adhesive dots in the middle of them. So there's 1 adhesive dot, 2 adhesive dots, and there's my 3rd one, like that. There we go. And I put this is the medium size one, and I'm going to put the medium size one like this down here in the corner. I'm going to put this one up here at the top like this. And then this one is going to come over here like this. Okay, and now I'm going to put my large banner on, my stripy one. I'm going to put adhesive dots all along the back like this. And I'm going to do the same with the To Be Jolly one. And we're going to do this. And again, 3 across the back, like that. Okay. I'm excited to see what this one's going to look like. when I've got it built. I like this one. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put this stripy banner down. I know it goes down first because the green banner goes over top of it. So we're going to line this up here. Looks like it goes just a little bit higher. And it looks like I've put this one down just a little bit too low. So I'm going to see if I can just very carefully peel that one up and move it up a little bit like that. Okay, so when I put this one down now, and now I put it up too high, so we're just going to pop it down again just a little bit. There we go. All right, so we're going to line this one up and just press it down like that. There we go. And then we're going to take the green banner and we're going to put our "'Tis the Season to be Jolly." We're going to overlap it, and it is just the same size. So we're going to make sure we're lined up here at this end. And then we're going to make sure we're lined up at this end. And then we're just going to give that a push like that. So "'Tis the Season to be Jolly." And then I need to take some scissors and cut some of my dimensionals in half. Looks like just the one has to be cut in half. And I'm going to take my Santa and my letters. If I move this out of the way, I can put this in the middle so you can see the letters. And I'm going to put dimensionals here like this, and then a half a dimensional on this side of the Y and a half a dimensional on that side of the Y. Nope. And then I am popping 2 on the Santa Claus like that. And I've just used 1 on the Joy right here. Okay. So now let's go ahead and build these. I'm going to put the Santa down first because Santa's in the middle. So he's kind of my point to my registration point. So I'm just going to put him down like that. And I'm going to take the J, and the J kind of lines up over the "tis" and the "the." Okay, and then we're going to take our Y like this. And we're going to pop that just over top of the jolly like that. So there we go. And there are no little blings on this one. I'm having a look. I'm just looking at and it does look like there are the little blings in here. So I'm going to put 1 down like that. And then I'm going to use, I'm going to keep using these ones. So there we go, like that. So there we go. There is our third project in the October 2022 paper pumpkin kit. So thank you very much for watching the series of projects out of the kit, and stay tuned for some alternate ideas.